luxury everyday. Here at Amani Grandland, City Gate, Buhangin, Davao City. Why invest and reside at Grandland Condominium today? First, experience a luxury and serenity of living in the four corners of the condominiums. Own a perpetual condominium, a continuing or enduring an everlasting and infinitely long time. The best awarded condo in Asia and best developer here in Metro Davao and Cebu. The GPS yet best condominium here in Davao. Very accessible and nearby establishment. 3 to 5 minutes to Davao International Airports. Near to schools, hospital, church, and sightseeing spot. World-class resort-type condo amenities. 24/7 security. Fast return on investment. ROI for rentals. Best location. Just beside two super malls, the Gaisano Grand Mall and NCCC Mall. Very few units left, so hurry, reserve your units now. For more details, contact directly to my number 0948-163-5952 or my landline number 240-9004. Thank you.